In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subpages in Wix Studio, a straightforward guide to organizing your website and enhancing your visitors' experience. Let's dive right into the process, which will take you about 5 minutes to complete. First, you'll need to visit the Wix Studio website, which is specially designed for agencies and enterprises to build efficient web platforms. Head over to their site with your favorite web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find a login option, usually located in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on login to enter your account. At this point, you'll see several options to log in. If you prefer a streamlined process, I recommend choosing the Continue with Google option. It's not only quick, but also keeps you from having to remember another password. After you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all your existing projects. Look for the project you want to modify and select it. From this project page, you want to navigate to the Manage Menu option. This is where the magic happens for organizing your main pages and subpages. Clicking on Manage Menu brings up a list of your current site pages in a panel, usually on the left side of your screen. This is your central hub for page organization. Now let's work on creating that subpage. In the panel, identify the page you want to designate as a subpage. It's simply a matter of dragging and dropping that page under another, effectively creating a hierarchy. As you drag the page, you'll notice a small indent appear when you're hovering over another page. Drop it there. This action links the pages, creating the structure of main and subpages. One important tip: make sure to review how these changes affect your site's navigation. A well-structured site improves user engagement by making it easier to find information. After all, nobody likes getting lost on a website. Once you've created your subpages, you can preview the changes to check how they display on your site's navigation menu. Make sure everything is intuitive for your users. That's it, you're done. In just a few minutes, you have successfully organized your site with subpages in Wix Studio. Maintaining a clean and effective site structure is essential for both user experience and search engine optimization. Don't forget to regularly update and review your page hierarchy to ensure it remains relevant and functional. Thank you for following along with this guide, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips on website management and design.